Tonight, record-breaking snow grinds life to a halt for millions of Canadians. Buried under a brutal winter storm that could take days to clean up.
Diyos ko, oh. Ano ba yan? Wow. That looks scary. Ang dilim. Oh my goodness. Siyempre, pwede ka naman gumamit ng shovel but it's physically straining. Lalo na pag ganyan kakapal ang snow. Nakakapagod talaga and it can even cause heart attacks, especially to elderly people kasi masyadong heavy ang pagsushovel ng snow. Wow. Kahit si Ben nahirapan, no? And I have my doctor's appointment today. I don't know. Tara, labas tayo. Tingnan natin ang actual na nangyayari dito sa labas. I have to shovel kasi tinan nyo, natakpan na yung railing. So, mga ano to, mga 2 feet. Si Luna. She came back.
What?
Oh, here, I made a trail for you. Oh. She will jump. She will jump. She will jump. No? So we're gonna try if we can get out because there's like a few feet of snow in front of this car. We're gonna test the Jeep today in this extreme snow condition. Ooh, easy!
Where the shoveler is in front of us, so he's clearing the path.
Kawawa ang mga passengers.
You can get in. We have to get a shovel. Little ones for car shovels.
Malapit na ang aking destination sa doctor's office after 2.5 hours of this condition. Tingnan nyo. Yeah. Nakarating din kami.
he's spinning like crazy. He can't get out until he backs out. He needs to back up.
Since we're stuck in traffic and we haven't eaten the whole day, hi babe. Ito na. Take out na lang kami.
Right.
Gutom na kami. 2:15 p.m. Umalis kami ng bahay ng 9:30. Kaya ito yung mga dilema namin pagka may winter storm. Ganito ang mga kaganapan dito. People have shovels. I don't know. They're probably helping other people, right? Or maybe they're charging. Who knows? So. We are finally home, safe and sound. We've been on the road since 9:30 a.m. and we got home about 3 p.m. And Bae is just making dinner. It's panzerotti. Hi, Bae. So it's time to relax a bit. It was kind of stressful outside today because of the snowstorm. It was the biggest snowstorm for this year. This is the finished product of the panzerotti. It's yummy, Robin says. I can't wait to eat it. Thank you, babe, for dinner. Yum. See you on my next vlog. Bye for now.